Welcome to Starr Wellness Solutions Morning Meditation. I am everything. A powerful morning meditation for abundance and alignment. Begin each day grounded in universal truth with this guided affirmation experience, which resets your energy and opens the door to abundance. Designed to center your mind, activate peace, and attract miracles, this 5-minute practice is your secret weapon to living in flow. Take a deep breath. Gently close your eyes. Let's begin. Guided affirmation meditation. I breathe in calm, deeply, slowly. Exhale, releasing all resistance. This is your sacred moment, a portal of peace where your mind, body, and soul synchronize with the energy of the universe. This is my reminder. I am not separate from God's source. I am the source, expressing, experiencing, expanding. My peace flows from presence. My words are my power and shape my world. I am everything. I am the abundance of the universe. I am health. I am prosperity. I am everything I need to succeed. I am the abundance of the universe. My day is aligned with peace and miracles. I am not the storm. I am the vast, still sky. I am not limitation. I am the limitless field of pure potential. I am not seeking. I am remembering. I am health. Every cell in my body vibrates with divine intelligence. Healing flows through me with ease and grace. My body listens to my words, and today I speak life. I am wealth. Abundance is not outside of me. It is my natural state. Opportunities magnetize and align with my energy. My ideas are valuable. My worth is infinite. My success is inevitable. I am the abundance of the universe. I align with the frequency of miracles. I open my heart to receive the blessings encoded in this day. I trust the rhythm of the universe, and I move with divine timing. I am safe. I am seen. I am supported. I rise in gratitude. I rise in power. I rise as the embodiment of my highest truth. Radiant, whole, unstoppable. Now pause here. Take a deep breath and feel this truth deep in your soul. You are a conscious expression of the infinite. Now we gently close. Breathe in deeply as you exhale, whisper softly, "Thank you, I am ready." Gently open your eyes. You are now attuned, aligned, and infused with the healing, abundant energy of the universe. Go forward and shine as the star you are. From Starr Wellness Solutions, your journey to radiant wholeness starts here. Download meditations and our full library of energy tools and wellness resources at www.starwellnesssolutions.com. Thank you for listening. Did you enjoy our message? Please like,